this out. Here is canyon. So I left Basaseachi this morning, taking this road, which is kind of slow because every turn there is a bunch of gravel on the road. I don't know if they just put it down because they want to patch some holes, but it makes the ride pretty slow, and it's okay. It's about 80 miles, 127 km, all the way to Creel, per andare a Creel. C'è un'altra cittadina al sud. Ho lasciato Basaseachi questa mattina. I left Basaseachi this morning, just one day there, just visited the cascade. It was beautiful. And then that's it. So it's gonna be a slow ride. See here, again, patches of gravel, very slippery. So I gotta be slow and get there in about 3 hours, I think, 3 to 4 hours. Easy ride through the mountains. 6,800 feet right now. It's pretty cold. It's really cold. Last night it was down to 30 degrees this morning, so I left at 10, waiting for the sun to come out. C'era freddo ieri sera, era quasi zero. Stamattina quando mi sono svegliato sono partito alle 10, così almeno non c'era più il gelo che ho visto sulle macchine dappertutto questa mattina. Circa 3-4 ore di via, di strada da fare, pian piano. Con un po' di musica. Okay, here we are in Creel. Actually took only 2 hours and 15 minutes. Guess I'm gonna have to shave some time off that Google estimate. Siamo arrivati a Creel, ci è voluto solo 2 ore e un quarto. Sa che Google aggiusta a secondo delle macchine qua e come guidano. So I'm in Creel, very quiet town. There's not much to do here, and well, I'm just gonna do that, do nothing, just hang out and read a book and walk around town and kind of watch the dogs and sleep all over the place and spend some time here, just another 20 hours or so, and then have dinner tonight and tomorrow morning going to Batopilas. Very sweet place, wonderful people again. Alright, so today I'm leaving for Batopilas. I've been here in Creel since yesterday. It's a beautiful town. And last night I went for dinner at a place here in the restaurant, and I have to say, there was this guy that just, I think, you know, not 100% homeless, maybe, I'm not sure. But it was amazing how people were just helping him out, giving him food. The chef came out, gave him food. He sat at my table, started eating there, talking to me, not that I understood much. And then I gave him, bought him dessert. And then I talked to the lady there and I said, is he around here a lot? And she said, yeah, he's here all the time. And everybody takes care of him. It's just amazing how everyone, all the guests and everyone were just talking and being kind to him. Really enjoyable. I tell you, everybody I met so far just amazing here. Whatever people were telling me before I left about Mexico, I know it's been only a few days, but if this continues on the road and everywhere else that I've been and people I've talked to, they're just amazing. Just wonderful, amazing, kind, helpful people. So, I want to share that, let you know, Mexicans, amazing people. And we should think about what the media tells us and putting away our fears every time we hear all those things. Stavo dicendo che ieri sera sono stato a mangiare in un ristorante e c'era questo tipo con la foto che avete visto che stava anche di là in giro. E niente, non era del tutto 100%, però era bello vedere come tutta la gente gli parlava, gli stava attento, gli davo il cuoco venuto fuori a dargli da mangiare. Poi io gli ho offerto un dolce, ho parlato con la signora che mi ha spiegato che anche che tutta la gente qua è così, sì, che lui viene spesso, che lo aiutano, niente di male. È proprio gente fantastica, ti dico, tante cose che mi hanno detto prima di partire, di stare attento ai messicani, qua, che sei scemo di partire. Non ho visto che gentilezza, brava gente sulla strada, nei negozi, nei ristoranti, dappertutto con chi parlo, negli hotel, sono gente fantastica, proprio un viaggio bellissimo. Dunque, da riverificare tutte le cose che vi dicono e non ascoltate sempre gli altri, viaggiate, divertitevi, il mondo è bello. E oggi si parte per Batopilas, sono 4 ore circa. So I've been going through the Copper Canyon for the last hour and a half, and it's just amazing. This is a kind of a vista point, absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at the mountains and the rocks behind me. It's just like Utah in Mexico. Just beautiful. Okay, check this out. Here is canyon. So peaceful, quiet. Bella. Visto? Canyon, Copper Canyon si chiama. Sulla via per Batopilas. Assolutamente bellissimo. Una pace fantastica. Okay, here we are in the small little town of Batopilas. Let's cross the bridge. It's not much to it, but just to drive here was absolutely beautiful. What a beautiful drive it was. Siamo arrivati a Batopilas, che bella passeggiata, 3 ore in quelle montagne, proprio fantastico. Adesso sto qua una notte e poi dopo domani si riparte per Hidalgo de Paral. Adesso devo trovare dove che sto a dormire. Ho fatto la prenotazione, però non so dov'è. Ok, fammi fermare e trovare quel posto. ¿Sabe dónde está el hotel Casa Mil de Arenas?
Es todo derecho hasta llegar a la plaza.
El nombre es de Minas.
Se va a ir todo derecho.
¿Todo derecho?
Sí, y va a encontrar una plaza y ahí le pregunta a cualquier gente.
Ah, ok.
Ahí le van a saber
Ok,
decir.
gracias.
Por nada.
asking a bunch of people. They say it's at the piazza. ¿Cómo, señora? Disculpe, ¿sabe dónde está el Hotel Real de Minas? Aquí. Gracias. Okay, here we are.